What is up everyone? In this video, we'll learn to sell items on Facebook Marketplace. So let's get started. Marketplace is built into Facebook. So you'll see this shop icon located at the bottom on iPhone and on top on Android. If you don't have Marketplace, there could be multiple reasons. The video description includes a link to the official Facebook page which explains the reasons for its unavailability. If this is your first time, it might ask you to set up your Marketplace profile. Once you have done so, you'll see this interface. Click this Sell button to open this page. Then tap the Create Listing button. A new pop-up to select the item type will appear. Selecting each of those will show different questions, so it's important that you choose the proper option. We are selling a generic item, so let's go here. This is where we'll add the listing. Add photos by clicking here. I've given it full access to the library, so I see all the photos. Ensure you choose the photos in the order of their importance. You'll see a small label with the photo's number in the listing. Tap Done. Here are the photos. We can tap on one to preview it or tap this small icon to crop and rotate it before listing it. The title is the item's title. Be specific as we don't have much limit here. Also, if there are any major features or issues with the item, you should mention that as well. I'll just be simple and type what it is. Then is the price. Put in whatever you like. You'll notice that Facebook has automatically selected the item's category. We also see additional categories to choose from. If you don't think those are correct, tap this drop down and choose the product category. Then set the item's condition. We have 4 options, and in my case, it's brand new in the box. Next is the item description. This is where we put as much information as possible. Tell them about its features, issues, damages, and anything else that you think will help them buy this item. I have written this description. In Australia, people type in the item location at the end to help buyers see how far it is. We also mention if delivery is available and if it costs anything. Item variant is an advanced feature that lets you add item versions. For example, if you have the item in different colors or options, you can create variants for it. This is my saved location, but tap here to select the area. You can move the map like this or type in the suburb or area at the top. Then are the tags. Tags are important and help buyers find your item. Put in a keyword that people will most likely search for. Then tap the return button to set it as a tag. Add a few more to ensure your listing is visible to as many buyers as possible. I'll leave this SKU empty because it does not apply. Then availability is to set whether you have just one item or multiple. If you have one, list it as an item. If you have multiple, list it as in stock. Check this if you offer delivery. Then is the meeting preference. Select whatever is relevant. I'll choose door pickup. The last is the option to hide your listing from friends. Your friends won't see this listing anywhere on the marketplace if this is enabled. Once everything's set, tap the next button on the top. This screen is to choose where the listing will be listed. You can see that marketplace is checked. If you want to share this listing in groups, you can do so from here. However, as the hide from friends is checked, we can't post it into any groups. We also have the suggested groups in our location to join and post. Click the Publish button. The listing is being published. It says active now, but that does not mean it's listed. Tap on the listing. All listings are reviewed to ensure they comply with the terms and conditions. The listing is under review. You can check this to get notified when it goes live. To edit your listing, open Marketplace and tap this profile icon. This is your Marketplace profile. Click Your Listings. Then tap those 3 dots and click Edit Listing. Change whatever you like and hit this Save button. Okay, your listing is live. What now? Let's go through that. Suppose this is your item. Interested buyers will open it. They'll see the photos, description, profile information, location, and other things. They can easily type in the message to send here. You can use Facebook or Messenger to read and reply. I'll open Messenger. Over here, you'll have a section titled Marketplace. This is where all the Marketplace chats will be stored. all the communication will happen here. Let me show you one of my old conversations. From negotiation to address, this is your place. You can also rate each other. Once the item is sold, you can mark it as sold or out of stock. To do that, go to this listing in your marketplace account. Here you'll see this blue button to mark it as sold. When you mark it as out of stock, Facebook will show you this screen. If you select the top option, the app will show the names of those who messaged you. You can select the person who you sold to. As nobody contacted me, I can't select that option. I'll click the third one and click next. That's it. So this was selling on Facebook Marketplace. I hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching. Take care.